Hi guys, welcome back to Oracle SQL and PLSQL group. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to see the interview questions that are frequently asking in TCS company. So when I have attended the interview, they have asked me so many questions. So I have just listed out all those questions here. So why to get late? Let us get started. So here the first question is, what is correlated subquery? So this is the most common question that are frequently asking in each and every interview for Oracle SQL and PLSQL. So friends, when they ask about correlated subquery, you have to explain like this. The main in subquery we have nested queries and normal subqueries and correlated subqueries. So the normal subquery, in the sense, the inner query, that means subquery will execute first and then the result of the subquery will be given to the outer query. Okay, this is called normal subquery. So when you say correlated subquery, the outer query will execute first and then the inner query will execute. That means the inner query will execute for each and every row or record written by the outer query. So it will execute each time whenever the outer query executes and return a particular record. So you have to define like this. So correlated subquery, in correlated subquery, outer query will execute first and the inner query will execute next. So outer query will execute for each and every inner query will execute for each and every record written by outer query. This is the definition of correlated subquery. The next question that I have faced is, I have a table employee with 10 rows and the department table with 5 rows. So inner query has 5 rows from department and outer query will have 10 rows from rows. So how many times correlated subquery will execute? So here the answer is 4. The next question is, which is faster, in or exit? So here the answer is obviously exit, because here when I answered like exit, they have immediately asked me a question, why exit is faster? Because exit won't check each and every value in the table. It just checks the existence of a particular value or specified value, whereas in keyword it will check each and every record in a table, so it will take time, whereas exit won't take much time. It will just check the existence in the table. So the next question is, what are different types of triggers? So when they ask about trigger, you have to explain like, trigger is a event that occurs in the database whenever a DML or DDL operations occurs in the database. So trigger will be fired automatically whenever a DML, DDL or any action or any event happens in the database. So types of triggers, we have totally 14 types of triggers. So insert, update, delete, before, after, statement level, row level. So 4 into 3, totally the combination of this 4 into 3, 12 triggers, and then plus 1, that is instead of trigger. So here before statement level, after statement level, before delete, after delete, before update, after update, before insert and after insert. So totally we have 14 type of triggers in database. Difference between row level trigger and statement level trigger. So this is the important question, friends. Most of us don't know about this question, but here I would like to explain the difference between statement level and row level trigger. So statement level triggers, based on the name of it, works. If any statement is executed, that means it will be executed if any statement is executed. That means the statement level trigger completely based on name, it works if any statement is executed. Does not depends on how many rows or any rows affected. It executes only once. So say for example, if you want to update salary of every employee from department HR, and at the end you want to know how many rows get affected, means how many got salary increased, then use statement level trigger. Please note that trigger will execute even if 0 rows get updated, because if it is statement level trigger is called if any statement has been executed, no matters if it is affecting any row or not. So this is all about statement level trigger. So whereas row level trigger execute each time when a row is affected. If 0 rows affected, no row level trigger will execute. Suppose if you want to delete one employee from employee table whose department is HR, and you want to, as soon as employee deleted from employee table, the count in the department table from HR section should be reduced by 1. Then you should opt for row level trigger. So this is the main difference between row level trigger and statement level trigger. So the next question is, what is bulk collect and for all limit? So for bulk collect is also a very good concept, friends. So the main concept of bulk collect is to extract the collection of data at a time. That means executing all SQL queries at a time to extract the bulk amount of data from a cursor or collection. So the next question is, what are save exception? So this is also a kind of important question, friends. So the main purpose of this is, database will save any exceptions that are raised during the exception of individual insert, update, delete or merge statements generated by for all. So that means any kind of exception will be saved by using this save exceptions. What is index and different types of indexes? And the next question is, what are partitions, and explain different types of partitions. Friends, we have so many types of partition techniques in Oracle database. Example, range partition tables, hash partition tables, composite partition tables, partitioning indexes, local prefixed indexes, non-local prefixed indexes, global prefixed indexes. Likewise, we have so many partition techniques in Oracle PLSQL, friends. So this partition concept is also very important concept. So friends, these are the several questions that are asked in first round of TCS interview. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for so many of viewers and my subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel for further videos and further interview questions for top MNC companies. Thank you so much.